Hi, let's look into the problems related to leverage, financial leverage and operating leverage. Before that, just to go through the structure of the leverage. Sales minus variable cost equals contribution. Contribution minus fixed cost equals EBIT, earnings before interest and tax. Then you deduct interest, so that is earnings before tax, less tax, that is EAT, profit after tax. So what is EPS? EPS equals net profit after tax divided by number of equity shares. So this is the structure of leverage. So what is operating leverage? Operating leverage tells that 1% change in sales will lead to certain percentage change in EBIT. That is operating leverage. If operating leverage is 1.50, what is the meaning of that? 1% change in sales will lead to 1.50% change in EBIT. That's the meaning of operating leverage. What is financial leverage? Financial leverage is telling about 1% change in EBIT will lead to certain percentage change in EPS. That is known as degree of financial leverage. If financial leverage is 2%, what's the meaning of that? 1% change in EBIT will lead to 2% change in EPS. So from this structure you can understand two types of leverage: degree of operating leverage and degree of financial leverage. Let's look into the question. Operating leverage. A firm has present sales of rupees 500 units at selling price of 100 rupees. Variable cost is 75 rupees per unit. Fixed costs are 1 lakh rupees. Show operating leverage. So there is a formula to calculate operating leverage. Operating leverage equals contribution divided by EBIT. So first you can calculate sales. Sales equals 500 into 100. So you will get 5 lakh. And variable cost is 75 rupees per unit. Number of units 500. So 500 into 75. 3,75,000 is the variable cost. You deduct the variable cost from sales, you will get contribution. What is contribution? 1,25,000. Less fixed cost 1 lakh. What is EBIT? EBIT is 25,000. So this is the way you can prepare this statement. Then you want to calculate the operating leverage. So what is the formula to calculate operating leverage? That is contribution divided by EBIT. Contribution here it is given 1,25,000. 1,25,000 divided by 25,000. So you will get 2.14. That's the operating leverage. What's the meaning of that? 1% change in sales will lead to 2.14% change in EBIT. That's the meaning of this degree of operating leverage. Let's look into the second question of degree of operating leverage. From the data, calculate degree of operating leverage. Which firm is more risky, X or Z? So three columns given here, particulars X and Z. Under the particulars, sales is given, total amount for X, total amount for Z, both are given. 50 lakh and 60 lakh respectively given. Variable cost is 50% of sales for firm X and firm Z 25% of sales. Fixed cost is 8 lakh and Z 10 lakh. So these are the informations given respectively. So what is degree of operating leverage? Write the formula: contribution divided by EBIT. So you can calculate the contribution for FAME X. 50 lakh into 50 by 100, 25 lakh deducting from this 50 lakh. What is contribution? 25 lakh. 25 lakh divided by EBIT. You deduct the 8 lakh rupees from that 25 lakh, you will get 17 lakh EBIT. So that 17 lakh written here. So you want to prepare that statement. Sales minus variable cost, contribution. Contribution minus fixed cost, EBIT. So you will get this EBIT after doing this calculation. Then you will get the degree of operating leverage for FAME X as 1.47. Just like that, you can calculate the degree of operating leverage for FAME Z. Sales minus variable costs, 60 lakh into 25 by 100. So that 15 lakh deducting from 60 lakh, you will get 45 lakh. So 45 lakh is the contribution. Contribution divided by, then you deduct this 10 lakh from 45, you will get 35 lakh EBIT. So 35 lakh, so contribution divided by EBIT, you get degree of operating leverage as 1.28. So you can compare this. Which FAME has got more degree of operating leverage? FAME X got more degree of operating leverage, which means that FAME X is more riskier than FAME Z. That's the meaning of that. It's not Y, this is Z. So you will get the degree of leverage from this. It tells about the risk. What is the risk in it? 1% change in sales will lead to 1.47% change in EBIT for FAME X. But for FAME Z, 1% change in sales will lead to 1.28% change in EBIT. So from this, what you want to understand? You can understand FAME X is more riskier than FAME Z. That's the meaning of that. Okay, this is degree of operating leverage. Thank you.